What's up, everybody? Alex O Crypto here. Just wanted to come at you with a quick little tutorial on the Fibonacci Retracement tool, which you can find over here on the left-hand side. Fib Retracement, add it to, also Alt F that. Now, we have price action. Now, I want to talk to you how I use the Fib tool. As you can see on the Fib, we'll put it up here. We'll pull up our settings, and these are my settings. Just basic settings, the 382, the 786, the 0.5, the 6.5, which is this local golden pocket that we always like to talk about when we pull a fib between the 618 and the 0.65. Now, I just wanted to show you how I use this tool on a daily basis to get confluence, to get retracements. Now, when we're talking about a retracement, price does not move in one linear fashion. It moves up and down. So when we talk about retracements, we can see that we're bouncing up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, right? And we can see that price does not move in a straight line. Well, where does it retrace to, and how do we find those levels? So simply, you can pull it from the top to bottom to find retracements on a downtrend, and from the bottom to a top on retracements on an uptrend. So if I pull from here, this top, all the way down to this bottom, we can see that price had moved down throughout here, right? And let's say prices started moving up. Now, where is this going to go? Well, I would pull the top to the bottom here, and I would get this target right here, which worked out perfectly, right? And we can see this, how it works out on many different time frames, depending on what you're trading and how you're trading it. So, for example, if we're in this uptrend here, and we pull it from swing high to swing low, and we continue this over, we can see that price continues to bounce off of these levels. Moving our way up here, as you can see, we're moving our way up. We've pulled it from this top now. So we go from swing low to swing high, and we get the retracement. As it works down, boom, it hits the golden pocket, and it works its way up. Now, this is just a very small example of how I use it, and it can be used on any time frame. Like I said, I enjoy to use it on the 12-minute time frame. So when we're on the 12, we can see that if price is moving across anywhere on the charts, we can pull it from swing high to swing low, or from swing low to swing high. Now, make sure you got your direction correct, and you can see that it tends to respect this golden pocket, and if it does go past the golden pocket, the 786 is normally your last line of defense, right? So pulling a fib can give you confluence with other indicators to give you more of a better trade setup, right? This is how I like to trade. I just wanted to share a quick update because when I was new, I was always wondering, hey, how do they use this Fibonacci thing? Who's this Fibonacci guy? Is he that special? Well, guess what? He is pretty special. Swing low to swing high in an uptrend. You can see bang, bang, bang right here. We have hit all these targets, right? So this would have set you up for this bigger move. Simple, but yet effective. Now, it isn't the only tool I use, but it is a tool that I constantly use to check out areas and how they may react to price, right? So be aware that fibs can be used on all different time frames, and depending on the trend, this is where you want to use it. So if I was going up here, I could use swing low to swing high, and we can see we bounced off the 0.5 here. It is respected throughout on many different time frames, even on here from swing high to swing low. You can see 1, 2 times it touched, and then it continued downwards, right? Then it came back up, and it touched this 786 here. So add this to your tools. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this quick little update. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out. Much love. God bless. Take care, and I'll see you soon.